the thing has been fixed. So next this snaky like thingy. Take the striker and put the balloon into the striker and put some little rubber bands and tapes. And what you do is just throw that thing and play drums. This is the bottom part. So from this we know if we hit it this hard, the vibration is hard and the sound is also very high. If we strike it slow, the vibration will be slow and the sound will be soft. So I'm going to beat and show you. That's a bigger vibration. If we tap the striker, the air particles inside move and makes the vibration and produce a sound. So for now, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for new videos. So bye.